Malena. Today I will present you one of the latest development projects. This is Sensi Snow Blast. Cleaning with dry ice is one of the most effective and environmental friendly ways to remove different types of residue from parts. We went a step further and developed a system that uses dry snow for even more delicate process. The effectiveness of modern production processes is limited by impurities in machining system, which are associated with many defects and errors in the final quality of products. The project Sensi Snow Blast is based on recognition that using dry snow can ensure the required purity of materials without damaging or affecting their operation. A few words about project highlights. Dry snow cleaning guarantees the required cleaning effects without damaging even the most delicate parts. We developed a safe, effective and precise system for industrial cleaning with dry snow. Two versions of the solutions were developed, a stationary one for the standard industrial production processes and a mobile version for the special applications. First of all, we made a prototype of the equipment. Prototype equipment includes a movable table with a manipulator and a storage tank with a dosing system for better manipulation of media in the system. We tested different samples with different parameters and compared them with each other, and the results were better than expected. That is why we decided to make a pilot system. Final equipment system includes a specially designed cabinet with dosing system, dry snow application system and a filter unit with a special filter that removes gases and impurities from the samples. We have developed a special oscillation manipulator to achieve optimal cleaning. Installation is most advanced on the market as well as environmentally friendly. The investment is co-financed by the Republic of Slovenia and the European Union from the European Regional Development Fund. With microsurface analysis, we confirmed that there was no surface damage after cleaning with dry snow. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, we're EcoBlast, we do more!